Today I'm going to show you exactly how to see and control the last seen status in Telegram, as well as how to clear your recent chats and search history for a little extra privacy. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll understand not just how to tweak these settings, but also how they impact what you and others see in your app. So let's jump right in and make Telegram work the way you want. We'll start with how to see other people's last seen status, and importantly, how to hide your own. First, open up your Telegram app and tap those three lines in the top left corner of your screen. This opens the menu, and from here select Settings. This is your main hub for customizing your Telegram experience. Next, head over to Privacy and Security and then tap Last Seen and Online. These settings might sound a bit technical, but think of them like the privacy options you might set on Instagram or WhatsApp. You're choosing exactly who can see when you were last active. Now you'll have a few simple choices for who gets to view your last seen status. If you pick everybody, anyone can see when you were last online. Great if you're totally transparent or using Telegram just for public chats. Try My Contacts if you want only people in your actual address book to know when you're around, which is ideal for most users. Or if you want to keep things completely private, select Nobody. This hides your status from everyone so your online activity stays invisible. But Telegram gives you even more control through what they call exceptions. Under Always Share With or Never Share With, you can fine-tune the rules. Say you want your family to know if you're online but not coworkers or certain friends, just add them to these lists. It's a bit like handing out special passes. Some people get a peek, others stay in the dark. Now here's a really important detail to keep in mind. In Telegram, privacy works both ways. If you hide your last seen from someone, you generally won't be able to see theirs either. Instead, you'll just see a generic last seen recently. Don't worry if that sounds vague. Telegram uses this to protect everyone's privacy fairly. And if you've ever wondered why you only see recently instead of an exact time, here's the scoop. Seeing exact last seen times for everyone is usually a premium feature. So if you don't have Telegram Premium, you'll get that fuzzy recently label for most contacts, which is Telegram's way of keeping things fair and non-intrusive. Now let's switch gears and talk about how to clear your recent chats and searches. This doesn't hide your last seen status, but it's a great move if you want a little extra privacy or just clean up your app. Here, how. Go back to the menu, tap Settings, and head into Data and Storage. From there, choose Storage Usage. You'll see options to clear your search history or cache data. It's kind of like sweeping up old breadcrumb trails you've left in the app. This part might take a few moments if you've used Telegram for a while, but don't worry, it's easy. Just follow the prompts to remove your recent activity. So to sum it up, your last seen privacy is handled in Privacy and Security. Your search or chat history is managed under Data and Storage. And remember, for those extra detailed last seen times, Telegram Premium is usually required. I hope this helped you feel more confident in customizing your Telegram privacy. If you learned something new, hit that like button, drop any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.